Aerogel, the frozen smoke. Ever heard of a material that's so light it's practically weightless? Meet aerogel, also known as frozen smoke. This stuff is like something out of a sci-fi movie. It's incredibly light, almost transparent, and has an insane ability to insulate against heat. When you see it, it almost looks like a ghostly mist, but it's actually solid and can be strong enough to support objects hundreds of times its weight. Crazy, right? So what makes aerogel so special? It's made by removing the liquid from a gel and replacing it with gas, leaving behind a solid network that's 99% air. That's why it's so light and why it feels like you're holding a piece of cloud. Despite its delicate appearance, aerogel can handle extreme temperatures, which makes it perfect for insulation. In fact, it's been used in spacesuits and on Mars rovers to protect against the intense cold of outer space. Aerogel isn't just for outer space, though. Picture it used in buildings to create insulation so effective it could cut down on energy bills big time. Think windows that keep out the heat in summer and hold in warmth during winter, all thanks to a material that barely weighs anything. It's the kind of tech that could make homes and offices way more energy efficient, helping the planet and your wallet. And there's more. Aerogel can be made from a variety of materials like silica, carbon, and even polymers, giving it different properties for all sorts of applications. Carbon aerogel, for example, can be used in batteries to improve performance without adding weight. With this adaptability, aerogel is paving the way for lightweight, efficient solutions in everything from electronics to environmental cleanup. Aerogel really is one of those materials that defies logic. It's feather-light yet insulating, delicate-looking yet incredibly durable. The potential here is massive, whether we're talking about cleaner energy, better electronics, or advanced building materials. It's frozen smoke, but make no mistake, this is solid science at its finest.